Hello and welcome to Unboxicology, the channel that captures totally random unboxings and gives informal reviews. Today we're going to unbox this Elmer's Color Slime Kit. It initially caught my attention because of the orange clearance sticker, but as a kid in school, I used to take Elmer's Glue and squeeze the glue into my hands and rub my hands together and wait for the glue to dry, and then I'd peel it from between my fingers. So don't judge, we're not about to act like we've never enjoyed rubbing or peeling Elmer's Glue from our hands and fingers when we were kids. So, seeing this kit, the Elmer's Glue bottles, brought back a little bit of nostalgia for me. So I said to myself, what the heck? Let's get it, check it out. This could be another de-stressor item. In a previous video, I unboxed another DIY stress toy called Jumbo Squishos. It's right here, so still loving it. You're supposed to, by the way, throw this out after 10 days. It has been way past 10 days, but I don't have small children and I've been keeping it away from my pets. So I just am keeping it around just because it just feels so good, y'all. So good. So when I saw this, and it was in a clearance, it says $7.49, but you know darn good and well, I did not pay $7.49 for this. I believe I paid $1.99 at my local grocery store, which is Harris Teeter in my area. So without any further ado, let's get to unboxing this. Let's go. So here you're gonna have your magical liquid. This is what the inside of the box looks like. Okay, you have a red or pink. Your washable color glue. This is blue. And then some more magical liquid right there. So we're gonna close up the box because you know I always like closing up the box. And there we go. So it looks like you have one of these for each color. Today we are going to be doing, let's go with the pink or the red watermelon color. I don't know. We're gonna go with this color today. So the box does not contain any directions. There's nothing else left. There's no directions in the box. So we're gonna turn to the back and we're gonna put this aside for another day and get to going. There's that liquid glue, which is right here. Container, mixing utensils, and so yeah. Let's get into it. So, put the cap back on. I am now going to add 2 tablespoons of the magical liquid into the color glue. So here's 1 tablespoon. And here's the second tablespoon. And now I'm going to mix the two together. As I'm mixing it, I can see where it's becoming a solid and it's getting a little texture to it, a little sticky there. I love the color. The slime is still a little bit wet, so I'm going to just keep mixing it. It's solidifying. It is starting to turn slimy. So now I'm just going to take it out of the bowl and I'm just going to start manipulating it. This is actually kind of fun. I enjoy doing this. It's forming. It's kind of relaxing. And there it is, guys. It's starting to stick. The slime is starting to bind together, as you can see. I love this. Feels really good. I love this. Calming, relaxing. And so guys, here is the final product. This is the slime. It took less than 10 minutes for it to turn into this consistency. I did have to add just a little bit more of the magical liquid in there. It was less than a tablespoon. So I like this. I love this consistency a whole lot. And I do approve. I would say this is a nice kit to get the kids, to get for yourself. I'd say this is a good consistency because it's not sticking to my gloves. It is not sticking to my fingers. It is a good texture. It's slimy, as you can see, and yet it does not stick to surfaces. It's an easy cleanup. And before I conclude this video, I have to give it one last test. And yes, I'm going to slam it up against the wall. See the stick test. And it sticks, but it's not sticky. I love it. Or it's sticky, but it doesn't stick. So as you can see, the slime turned out really great. It is malleable. It is great. I approve. And so now I'm going to just store it in these KFC containers that I had lying around. There goes that. And I want to thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.